Right, let's get back into it with the Swift Playgrounds Learn to Code 1, and this time hopefully the screen recording doesn't fail and make a big mess of my files. So here we go. The next challenge is to teleport through the portal to collect the gem. I guess this is the portal. So we're going to come up here, down here, toggle the switch, go through the portal, and then we should come out here, down here, and across, right? So let's move forward 1, 2, 3 times. I'm just going to copy that. 2, 3 times, and then turn left, and then move forward 1, 2 times. Oh no, put it on a different line. And then toggle switch, and then move through the portal, so go forward again, and then that should put us in there and come out there facing this way, so we want to move forward again, move forward again, then turn left again. It's like NASCAR, we're just turning left, right, and then move forward twice, move forward, collect gem. Right, let's go, super speed, see if we got there this time. Come on, young man. Here we go. Toggle switch. Right, good, got it. Solved your first challenge. Was that the first challenge? What was the rest of them then if that was a challenge? Let's see what it says. Well, these are goals. Right, so we've learned from the goals and we've done a challenge now. Okay, next page. What have we got here? Find the bugs and fix them. Right, so let's go. Super fast. Alright, yeah, so he's turned left too soon. So we should have been move forward twice and then turn left. Right, anyway, I'll just put in move forward twice, turn left, move forward twice. No, move forward once and then collect the gem. And then move forward again, then toggle the switch. Right, let's give that a bash. That should be sorted. Success. So we had the move forward was down here instead of there. Right. Simple debugging. Maybe it'll get more cryptic than that. Right. So reorder the commands to debug the code. Right. So let's see what it does here. I find it quite confusing actually when you just watch it. It's probably better to start out, well, for me anyway, just to start out, well, he switched that switch off, right, so he's went the wrong way. I guess what we want to do is come up here, toggle this switch on, come through this portal, and then collect that gem, come down here, and then come, and then, well, once you collect the gem, you're done actually, because that switch would be on. So we're going to move forward, and then turn left. So get rid of these. Move forward, turn left, move forward, move forward. Right, so we want these move forwards in here. Toggle the switch, move forward, move forward, move forward, collect gem, move forward. I don't think that needs to be there. I don't think that move forward needs to be there. Right, let's give it a bash. See how we get on with that. So he's toggled that switch through the portal. Oh, too far, right, okay, so that move forward should have been there. Just was in the wrong place. Move forward. Right, now this should be a bug squash practice. That's what this one's called. Success! Incredible work, you found all the bugs in the code. Right, so another challenge. Evaluate options and pick the shortest route. Figure out the shortest route for a byte. To pick up the gem and toggle open the switch, you can use one or both of the portals. You'll need to use the commands you've learned up to now. You might need to use your debugging skills too. Want to change your character? Press on Byte for a new look. Oh, let's have a look at this. What have we got? Oh wow, look, new characters. I quite like Byte. What's this one called? Bug, maybe? It doesn't tell you what he's called. I'm gonna call him Bug. We can tap on him and he goes sailing up into the sky as if he's like going to heaven or something. And this water droplet, I don't know. I'm gonna stick with Byte. He's well chuffed about that. Right, so to pick up the gem, then toggle open the switch. So if we come down here, pick up the gem, where's the switch? Up there. Probably the fastest way is if we just come straight down here to this, pick up the gem, then come to this one, then we'll be here facing this way, and we can go forward onto that. Right, so we want move forward, move forward, move forward, 1, 2, 3, collect gem, then move forward 2, then we'll come out here, move forward another 2, and then toggle the switch. Let's see how that goes. Run it fast. Let's see how it goes. Good so far. You found the Shouter Strout. Well, now that you've completed the commands, it's time to learn about functions. Right, so we'll come back to Introduction to Functions the next time, and we'll see what other adventures Byte can get himself on. I wonder how long this is. No idea. Subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the Introduction to Functions.